Hi there, Chris here with just a tip for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at stripping a Funko Spacemarine Intercessor. So as you can see here, we have our model all ready to go, and he's already got the usual Ultra Smurf paint job, which is the blue and the red eyes and the gold trim and all the regular things. With these kits, we are going to use nail polish remover. This is 98% acetone. From my understanding, doing a little research ahead of time, is that acetone is perfectly fine to work on with these vinyl Funko Pops. So I'm going to use cotton balls. I'm going to use some cotton swabs to get the job done here. As you can see, we got the regular old little just cotton balls and cotton swabs, and really that's about it. I mean, you could use dental picks and things of that. Here I've got it loaded with some nail polish remover, and you can see it's pretty much making a very fast kind of job. Now, the first thing I was worried about was that it was going to melt the vinyl, as I usually don't work on a lot of vinyl kits, and so I was a little bit curious myself, and so I sacrificed this little guy to the gods of stripping. And as you can see, I'm going to switch over to cotton swabs here just to finish off the task and get into those little nooks and crannies and such. Of course, if you have other cotton applicators and such that you can utilize in this fashion that are a little finer than just a regular old cotton swab, by all means, go ahead and use those. I think you'll be fine. Of course, being disposable and all, makes this relatively, I think, self-explanatory, as, these are going to get junked up with paint. But as you can see, the head is already all nice and clean. You can see those little hoses on the side of his head. They're a separate bit of plastic, and I think they're blue plastic. And you can see the body here. I've already gone through and wiped off a lot of the metal and the shoulder pads and those things. You can still see there's some silver in some bits. I'm not too concerned about it. The gun, you can see we've separated them as well. And as I was working around the model, it seemed like the acetone was breaking apart the bonds of glue. Here you can see I've drilled out the barrel of the gun, because why not? Drill out those barrels, as they say. We're going to use Citadel's Wraithbone Spray Primer to prime this guy, get him ready for a paint job, and boom! Lay it down on the model. It's nice and smooth. It looks pretty good. The acetone does not destroy the model. I think that was the big concern here, so feel free to strip those Funkos.